guess what? We have a new series called
Let's Chat
Real
Real
Estate.
Estate.
It's going to be answering questions all about buying a home, selling a home. But you know what? I'll let you, because you're the agent, tell us more about it.
So you guys need to join us. It's going to be at 7 p.m. this Wednesday. We're streaming live, coming into your homes on Facebook, our YouTube channel, my Facebook personal channel, as well as Periscope. Now, what are we talking about? We're giving you buying tips, selling tips, helping you figure out the value of your home, helping you figure out your equity, and helping you figure out how you want to invest in real estate. Bring your questions and we'll have answers for you. And if we don't have the answers, we're going to go out and find the content experts and bring them on the show for you. We're also going to be telling you about things that's going on in the market, great places to eat, you name it. But it's all about getting hyper-local in our area and getting real about real estate. Okay? So join us once again this Wednesday. 7 p.m.
Right. On Facebook, YouTube,
and Periscope. And hey, when you get with us, let's chat about your home. Take care.